Are you ready to take the exciting step towards achieving your dream of home ownership in 2024? Well, I'm thrilled to share with you my top 7 recommendations, especially tailored for first-time home buyers. Hi, I'm Vallario, team leader of the Sold by Lily team at eXp Realty, serving the vibrant communities of Maryland, Northern Virginia, and DC. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm incredibly excited to have you here. But before we dive into my tips for home buyers, be sure to stick around until the end. I have a super awesome bonus tip that you won't want to miss when starting your home search. Now let's dive in. Tip number 1, start your home search by considering properties owned by the older generation, such as the silent generation or baby boomers. These homes are usually found in 2 types of neighborhoods: established areas with well-developed infrastructure and a strong sense of community, and gentrified neighborhoods undergoing revitalization due to younger residents moving in. Sellers in this demographic are often flexible and motivated to negotiate as they aim to relocate closer to family or to downsize. Despite potential updates needed, the advantage lies in negotiating a lower price and customizing the property to your preferences. Look beyond outdated listing photos and focus on the location, the neighborhood, the bones of the house, and the post-renovation value. If you're short on savings, consider renovation loans like the FHA 203K or the home style renovation loan. These loans combine the purchase and the renovation cost into one, making it an incredible way to take a less than perfect home and turn it into your dream home. Now that you have an open mind about the type of residential properties you should consider looking at, I will continue with tip number 2. Be sure to interview at least 3 lenders before making any decisions. I get it. It can feel like a hassle, but trust me, it's crucial. Not only do you want to ensure you have good chemistry and communication with your lender, but you also need to delve into the details. Ask about any down payment assistance programs available for first-time buyers. Inquire about their interest rates and see if they offer any government grants. Your agent should be able to recommend a lender that they trust and believe will make a good match with you and offer competitive rates and terms. But if you're taking the pre-approval route solo, it's essential to do your due diligence. Finding the right lender is key to a smooth home buying process, so take the time to make the right choice. Tip number 3, now that you've been pre-approved for a mortgage and have clarity on your closing costs, interest rates, and all associated mortgage expenses, ensure you tell your lender you are interested in a floating rate option. While locking in your rate provides stability, having the flexibility to lower it if rates decrease before your closing date is invaluable. Floating down your rate involves discussing with your lender the possibility of adjusting your rate if market conditions change favorably after you've locked in. This conversation should happen early in the process to avoid potential costs associated with the securing a lower rate later on. Tip number 4, don't max out your approval limit. What I mean by this is not to aim for homes right at the top of your pre-approval limit. With the current competitive market and low inventory, bidding wars are making a comeback. Instead of going for homes at the absolute max of your budget, try looking at properties priced a bit lower. This gives you some wiggle room to negotiate and compete better with other buyers. It's frustrating, but bidding wars are happening in many areas. By keeping some flexibility in your budget, you'll be better equipped to handle these challenges, avoid feeling discouraged from multiple rejections, and increase your chances of getting your offer accepted. Tip number 5, avoid overbidding. So you've stumbled upon the perfect house, but there's a catch. Multiple offers are on the table and you don't want to lose this house, but you also don't want to overbid. Don't panic. Here's a savvy move to ensure you're not blindly offering more cash than necessary. Consider including an escalation clause in your offer. This clever clause can be a game changer in competitive bidding situations. Here's how it works. You specify in your offer that you're willing to pay a certain amount above any competing offers up to a predefined maximum price, known as your cap. If another buyer outbids you, your offer automatically increases by increments such as $2,000 up to your set limit. This strategy not only helps you stay competitive without exceeding your budget, but also underscores your commitment as a serious buyer. So when faced with a bidding war, remember to equip yourself with an escalation clause for a winning edge. Now your contract has been accepted. Yay! So here's tip number 6. Attend the home inspection. Attending the home inspection is like getting a sneak peek behind the curtains before you commit to buying the show. Being there allows you to ask questions, raise concerns, and get a better understanding of any potential issues that may need addressing. Plus, you see how the inspector goes about their job and learn valuable insights about maintenance and upkeep. Ultimately, being present at the home inspection empowers you as a buyer to make informed decisions and gives you peace of mind knowing exactly what you're signing up for. Now, here's the bonus tip. In today's widely expensive housing market, multi-generational living is a smart option to consider. Whether it's for accommodating family members or generating extra income, embracing this lifestyle shift can revolutionize your approach to navigating the challenge of today's housing market. So when you're out there on the hunt for your dream home, keep an eye out for properties with additional space potential, such as a walkout basement or the opportunity to add a studio apartment over the garage or a flat backyard for an accessory dwelling unit, known as ADUs. And get this, Amazon is now offering these incredible portable tiny homes that you could put together in your backyard for as low as $12,000. How amazing is that? These prefabricated homes are not only on trend, but also incredibly practical, and they're gaining popularity fast. It's all about thinking outside the box and exploring creative solutions to make homeownership more accessible and enjoyable. Thank you for joining me on this journey through my top 7 first-time buyer tips for 2024. I hope you found these insights valuable and empowering as you embark on your homeownership journey. Remember, knowledge is power in the real estate world, and with the right guidance, your dream home is within reach. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest, or relocate to Maryland, Virginia, or DC, please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description box below. With my extensive experience and knowledge of the local market, I can assist you in finding your perfect home and navigating the complexities in this fast-paced environment. If you're outside of my area, no worries. I can also connect you with a reputable agent in your location who possesses the high credentials and expertise you need in a buyer's agent representative. Just leave your comment below and I will jump right on it. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable real estate insights. See you next time.